Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making yakitori, juicy Japanese chicken skewers, no charcoal grill needed. Before we start cooking, let me show you the Mottainai spirit behind yakitori. One of the defining characteristics of yakitori is its nose-to-tail approach. From thigh and breast meat to skin, cartilage, and organs, nearly the whole chicken is enjoyed. This reflects the Japanese concept of Mottainai. It is more than simply not wasting. It expresses gratitude and respect for the ingredient itself. Today we'll be making 4 types of yakitori: breast, thigh, tsukune, and skin. Alright, let's start cooking. First, we'll make a sweet and savory yakitori sauce called Tare. Add mirin and sake to a pot, bring it to a simmer over medium heat, and let the alcohol evaporate. Once the alcohol has cooked off, add the sugar and soy sauce. Simmer on low for about 10 minutes until slightly thickened, skimming off any foam. Once slightly thickened, turn off the heat and let it cool. This yakitori sauce can be used for meat and vegetable dishes, and it keeps for about a week in the fridge. Next, we'll prepare the chicken breast yakitori. The process is the same for the thigh meat. Remove the skin and excess fat from the breast. We'll use the skin later for the skin yakitori. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Add the sake, salt, and sugar and massage them into the meat. This helps season the meat and keeps it tender and juicy when cooked. Pat dry with a paper towel. Thread 4 to 5 pieces of chicken onto each skewer. Soak the skewers beforehand to prevent burning and keep them covered by the meat to avoid scorching. For thigh meat, adding pieces of green onion between the chicken makes a type of yakitori called Negima. Now we'll prepare the chicken skin yakitori. We'll use the skin we removed earlier from the thigh and breast. Boil it for about 3 minutes to remove the excess fat. Pat it dry with a paper towel and cut it into 1-inch strips. Fold the skin into an accordion shape and thread it onto a skewer. Finally, let's prepare the tsukune. Add the ground chicken, miso, sake, and ginger to a bowl and mix until the mixture becomes sticky. Add the egg white and mix well. You can use the leftover egg yolk as a dipping sauce for the tsukune to add extra richness. Add the green onion and potato starch and mix. Add water and kombu to a pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, shape the tsukune and simmer them over low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Avoid a rolling boil as strong heat can cause them to fall apart and become dry. Once cooked, drain well and thread 3 pieces onto each skewer. Now let's start cooking them in a frying pan. We'll begin with the breast, thigh, and skin yakitori and cook the shishito peppers alongside. Cook over medium heat, browning both sides slowly. Once the shishito peppers are cooked, salt them and take them out. Once browned, add the yakitori sauce. Next, we'll cook the tsukune. Cook them over medium heat as well. Once they're lightly browned in the frying pan, add the yakitori sauce and simmer until coated.
Itadakimasu!
You can find the salt-grilled yakitori and the soup made from the Tsukune poaching broth in the link in the description. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.